Emergencies can strike without warning, and when they do, having a plan can make all the difference. While many of us focus on our own survival gear, it's crucial not to overlook the smallest members of the family, our kids. In this video, we're diving into an essential part of emergency preparedness, building a kid-friendly bug-out bag. This isn't just about packing supplies. It's about preparing our children to feel safe, confident, and ready in a crisis. From selecting the right gear to teaching them how to use it, we'll cover everything you need to know to ensure your little ones are as prepared as you are. When building a bug-out bag for a child, think about two things: their safety and their comfort. A child's bag needs to be lightweight, easy to carry, and filled with essentials tailored to their unique needs. Always start with hydration and sustenance. Pack a small water bottle and lightweight, high-calorie snacks like granola bars, dried fruit, or nut-free trail mix. Include a few water purification tablets. They're small, light, and can be a lifesaver if clean water isn't readily available. Pack weather-appropriate clothing, including an extra set of socks, a lightweight jacket, and gloves if needed. Add a poncho for rainy conditions and a compact thermal blanket for warmth in case of cold nights. Children aren't going to haul heavy loads for long distances, so prioritize only what's essential. A good rule of thumb is to keep the bag's weight at 10 to 15% of the child's body weight. Test it out to ensure they can wear it comfortably. It's important to include items that meet the emotional and physical needs of a child in a stressful situation. Pack something small but meaningful, like a stuffed animal, blanket, or toy. These can provide much-needed emotional stability in an otherwise overwhelming situation. A whistle can help them signal for help if they're lost, and a compact flashlight with extra batteries ensures they can navigate in low light. Consider glow sticks as a fun, lightweight backup. Include child-friendly bandages, antiseptic wipes, and any prescribed medications. Adding small items like adhesive strips with fun designs can make the process less intimidating. The gear is only part of the equation. Kids need to know how and when to use it. Spend time practicing together. Show them how to use the whistle to signal for help. Turn on the flashlight or glow stick and purify water using tablets. Run simple emergency drills to help them feel prepared rather than scared. Emergencies often involve long waits, and keeping a child's mind occupied can help maintain calm. Pack lightweight activities such as a deck of cards or travel-sized games, a small coloring book with crayons, and a notebook and pencils for drawing or journaling. These items are not just distractions. They're tools to keep your child's morale high and their stress levels low during uncertain times. Kids grow fast and their needs change. Set a reminder to update their bug-out bag every 6 months. Replace outgrown clothes, expired snacks, and any used supplies. Involving your child in this process can keep them engaged and remind them of the bag's purpose. Let's recap. A kid's bug-out bag should be lightweight and manageable while containing the essentials: water, snacks, clothing, a whistle, flashlight, and first aid supplies. Add a comfort item and some entertainment to keep them calm and engaged. Just as importantly, teach your kids how to use the items and practice survival skills as a family. Preparedness is an ongoing process, so check the bag regularly to ensure it stays updated with their changing needs. Now it's time to take action. If you haven't already, start building a bug-out bag for your kids today. Involve them in the process to give them a sense of ownership and confidence. Once the bag is packed, practice using it together. Make it a fun family activity. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more survival content, and share this video with other parents who want to keep their kids prepared and safe. Remember, in a survival situation, preparation is everything. By equipping our kids with the right tools and knowledge, we're giving them the best chance to navigate an emergency with confidence.